those who just want to take their usage to the next level. Instagram has some lesser known tricks, settings, hacks, search options, and comment features you should know about. That's why we set out to find them and list them all in one place. Whether you're a recruiter looking to showcase your company's culture, a marketer in the e-commerce industry, or an individual who's just looking to use Instagram in the best ways possible, there are tips and features here for you. With that said, let's get to our list, shall we? Before we start, click on subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get all latest updates. Like and share the content. Let's start. Get notifications when your favorite people post. Never want to miss an Instagram post from your favorite influencers again. You can choose to get a notification every time a specific user posts a new photo. All you have to do is turn on notifications for each user individually. To turn on these notifications, visit a user's profile, click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner of the post, and choose Turn on Post Notifications from the menu that appears. Want to turn post notifications off? Just follow the same steps. It's important to note that you must enable notifications from the Instagram app in your phone settings. Here's how. To allow notifications on iPhone, iPad, go to Settings, then Notifications, choose Instagram, and then turn on the setting to Allow Notifications. To allow notifications on Android, go to Settings, then choose Apps, then Instagram. Select the option to show notifications. See all the posts you've liked. Ever wanted to see the posts you've liked all in one place? All you have to do is go to your own profile and click the Options button, a gear icon on iPhone, iPad, and three dots on Android, then click Posts you've liked. To unlike any of the posts you've liked, simply go to the post and deselect the heart icon below it. Don't worry, the user won't be notified that you've unliked the post. I might be biased, but Instagram is one of the most fun and visually appealing social apps around, and now, with these tricks, you can use it to an even fuller extent. Plus, many of these features can help to enhance your brand's presence on Instagram. If you love using Instagram as much as I do, you should watch our other videos also. You can learn about best tips and tricks for Instagram. Now click on subscribe button and also press bell icon to get all latest updates. Like and share the content. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.